Stan.
Stan!
What?
My dear, how are you?
Hi.
Away from the roof, away from the sun.
Rufa.
Roof.
Get away from the sun. Go here because Stanley's gonna take a picture of you here. Yeah, just right here. Just right here.
I'll wait for you. Mr. Rita. Mr. Rita. Sure. Ang ganda naman. Thank you.
Donita, can you take with her? And then let's go to the red carpet over here.
You want the edge again?
Over there at the edge. Just over here at the edge, facing this way.
I'll let the dog enjoy. Guys, let her friends get through too.
She needs to take a picture at the edge and then facing this way.
The sun is horrible. He's controlling it.
Rufa, dito ka sa edge na ito and then facing this way for Stanley. Yeah, just right here.